Hey guys, welcome to the Frames Gear channel. Today I got a pretty cool new product from us. This is our Groove dual mount, and if you're familiar with Canyon Groove, this will fit right on top of the Groove bar. So on top like this, and we have the, of course, included hardware. We have the bolts to fit it, and the idea is you fit it on top of the Groove bar via the two bolts, and then you add the computer mount insert here via the two bolts, and then you can have a super stable GoPro solution in the front. Placing the mount here on top ensures you can have all sizes of computers, so even a Wahoo Ace or a Garmin Edge 1050, while still keeping a super clean out front design here for a GoPro or another add-on. This kit here is of course fully CNC machined aluminum, and we include our molded Wahoo and Garmin insert and needed hardware in the package. It's a super cool, lightweight CNC machine product. I'll make sure to put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.